Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave apps, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a product or a service into your Wave apps to use on invoicing? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a product or a service into your Wave apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or even an in-person business, you know that invoicing can be time consuming. So by adding your products or service into Wave apps, you can easily create invoices much quicker. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a product or a service, you're going to click here on this line, sales and payments. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to choose this line right here, products and services. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the products and services that you offer in Wave apps. You can see I just have this one. However, in order to add a new product or a new service, click on here, this blue button, add a product or service. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and add your product. So first you want to go ahead and name the product. So let's say that we're going to be doing Twitter marketing. Okay, and next we can go ahead and add a description. This is completely optional. All of this is actually optional. The only thing that is required is a name of the product. But if you can set this up, it just saves you time in the future when you're invoicing. So we'll do a description. Let's see here, 1 month Twitter account management. Okay. And then here you want to go ahead and add the price. So we're going to go ahead and list this at $9.99. Okay. And then here you want to be sure to check this. So sell this, allow this product or service to be added into invoices. Yes. Because this way, when we're setting up an invoice, we can easily just choose this product name and income account. We can go ahead and put this as sales. Okay. So buy this would be something if you will be purchasing the service from someone else. So for me, I'm going to be selling this product or service. So I'm going to click on save. Okay. A quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see this successfully created product. So now you can see it right here. So next time when we go over here to invoices, okay, and we're going to create an invoice. Okay, now if we want to add an item to this invoice, we can see it right here, Twitter marketing, $9.99. So we don't need to type this out. We can just easily add it into invoices in the future. It's just going to save us a little bit of time, but everything adds up in the end of the year. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a product or a service into your Wave apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.